Can you permanently fix your posture? This is a question I'm often asked, especially because I help people enhance or fix or improve their posture. The way to really look at posture is that, in really anything health or wellness, is that it is something that we lease. You're not always going to be fit unless you pay into it. You do exercise, you strength train, you eat well, and that will help you keep your health, keep your fitness, but it's not something that it's just going to be there perfectly and stay there forever simply because you just exercised one time. So if we're taking that into account and we think of the human body as like it's this sort of leasing system that we have to make deposits, that we have to pay in order to continue to have the benefits that we want, posture is the same way. That's just how the body works. So in short, no, posture is not something that you can permanently fix. It's something that needs to be paid into. It's something that you need to continuously try to improve upon and, at least at a very minimum, maintain. Now, that said, this doesn't mean you have to spend the rest of your life doing scapular retractions, even sitting tall, holding your shoulders back, and bracing your core. I'm not a believer in that by any means. I don't think that is the path to good posture at all. I do believe that there are corrective exercises that essentially open the window to improvements in your mobility, improvements in your posture, but they have a diminishing return. And the reason why is because at the end of the day, you need these, more physiological adaptations that come along with strength training, endurance training, these more intense interventions, if you will, that will actually make long-term changes to your posture. So that way, you may have experienced, hey, I'm doing this postural intervention. I see some improvements for a little bit, and then it goes away because I sat for, 4, 5, 6 hours. When we combine those corrective exercises or those postural interventions with strength training and get those physiological adaptations, bigger muscles, stronger connective tissue, the flexibility of the musculature and the connective tissue that builds around improvements in mobility at different joints. When we marry these two different states or interventions together, that's where we see the most benefit. And we'll see that the postural changes that you're getting will last much, much longer. And at the end of the day, if you continue down that road and you continue to say strength train through fuller ranges of motion, you are jumping and you're utilizing these mobilities and postural positions to your advantage within your exercise routine. Well, then you don't have to do all these little rinky dink correctives all the freaking time anymore. Instead, it's just like you're effectively lifting two birds, one stone. You're both lifting and improving your mobility and posture at the same time. So, no, you won't have posture that is permanently fixed. It's something that you have to lease and you have to constantly improve upon. It's like growing a plant. You put the seed in the soil and then you water it. You give it good nutrients. You give it, nitrogen and all these good things, sunlight, and it will start to grow and it will start to become more resilient over time the more you nurture it. And so that's what I'm saying with like the strength training and the mobility and all those good things and utilization of these good postural positions in good training that will help to prolong how good your posture is, the improvements in your posture for much, much, much longer.